door off, I think. And there we go. That's the stuff. Okay, we got a video for you today. We're filming right now on the GoPro Hero 6. We got a GoPro Hero 4 Silver on the windshield. It is raining. Ooh, quick neutral slam. It is raining, so we'll see how that footage turns out. Right now we're driving the Nissan Pathfinder field car. Bought this bad boy for $100. She is probably the best field car I've ever owned up until this point. She's a little lacking in power right now. I used to be able to drift no problem in the dry. But now I need to be in first and neutral slam it to get the wheel spinning when it's raining out in the mud. So she's about to die, which is too bad, but you know what? She's paid herself off plenty. So anyways, my brother's daily driver was a 1998 Lexus LS400, and he drove this thing for, I don't know, 4 or 5 years or something, but it came to its end. I mean, if you name a part on a car, it was wrong with it on that Lexus. Everything was junk. Ball joints, control arms, wheel bearings. He was going through wheel bearings on a monthly basis just because everything was so worn out. It was chewing through wheel bearings. The differential, the whole differential mount was rusted out, so every time he put it in gear, the differential would jump up and dent in his gas tank until he got a gas leak. It was just a piece of junk. So he got a new car, I don't know, 2015 Volkswagen or something good. Fuel efficient, reliable daily driver. Anyways, that Lexus wasn't worth any money pretty much, so it became his field car. Unfortunately, it only lasted about 10 minutes, maybe 15, until the transmission went. And that's where this video comes into play. Unfortunately, it was kind of a spur of the moment thing. I was just having so much fun. I never even thought to grab my GoPro, but I did get some phone footage. But basically with the good old Nissan Pathfinder, we smashed the living daylights out of that Lexus. And I mean, like, oh, she's bad. So we'll show that phone footage now, maybe smack it up some more. This is what she's looking like in her current state. Took a couple doors off. There's one of them. I was pushing him around for a while, got up to like 60, 70 kilometers an hour just pushing him. Got a pretty good dent there. This door right now, when I drift into it, it kicks up my back end. So hopefully I don't catch and roll. Hopefully it kicks me up like it did last time. There it is. That's what I was looking for. So yeah, this thing is it's now in a worse shape. Oh, got the door off, I think. And there we go. That's the stuff. You know, that's the thing. The motor still runs. Oh, that's not gonna open. Just the tranny went. There's a little bit of a following behind LS400s, and they're probably gonna get pissed off watching this video. And if you are one of those people and you've made it this far, the car, you have no idea how bad it was. Like, just driving straight down a road, it would have a good of 2 inches of play both ways. It would be whoop, whoop, flopping, and like, ran not the greatest. Tranny was messed, differential was messed. Everything that could wear was messed. It was a bad car, and so we'd either send it to the scrapyard or have fun with it and then send it to the scrapyard. Now I know you can say, oh, but people could have picked parts off of it. Well, to that I have to say, too bad for them. That looks fun. Let's try and get across that. This thing has no power. She's about to die, so I gotta get a good run up at it. This is full throttle in the torquiest gear. Holy fuck.